Start another day. Let's see what kind of fun we can have this time. Well, running the big beast today. Let's see if I turn this thing. This one's orange. Kubota loader. Gonna try and move some garbage around and start a burn pile. A bit of an interesting story with this tractor as well, and I'll show you. Let's see. It's an old Kubota. That's a 2001, I think it is. 5700. Good little utility tractor. We use it for, well, when we had the livestock here, we used it to do all the round bales. That's why we get the bale spears. And you could go out in the hay fields and pick them up pretty quick. Handy little tractor, 4-wheel drive. So we got to mix everything out here at Williams Brothers. And anyway, Ken, my brother, we run this place together, and we were out picking up logs last winter, I believe it was, last winter, along the roads, and the lift part was sticking on the upright position. One of the logs came rolling down the arm off the top of the points and landed on the steering wheel, and made a little bit of a mess. And not only that, it wrecked our controller on the uplifter. So now we got this custom one put in, which works really good. It's I believe it's a Robinson, whatever. It works good anyway. So this tractor still does the job. But yeah, it's a good thing it was his steering wheel and not his head, because it was pretty close there for a bit. Anyway, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to hook on this little trailer, fill it up with garbage to burn, a bunch of boxes and stuff we have been holding off on until we can get this stuff off the fields. So I'm going to hook this on and get her loaded up. All right, let's go racing. Pretty slick, eh? There's my brother's hay. Works all summer to bale it and sells it through the winter. Anyway, throughout the year we get a bunch of this stuff, and also lots of bags for seed corn and so on. And then this time of the year we have to clean her all up. Okay, that's loaded up. Off to the field. And we're off. Da-da-da. Da-da. So, trying to be an acrobat. This is my balancing act. Going probably very slow, as you can tell. Trying to balance this so it doesn't fall off in the hayfield. Check back with you in about 2 hours. I should be another 50 feet farther. Okay, dug out another load. Brush. Trying to clean everything up for the winter. Ooh, it's getting warm. Okay, so I'm trying to clean up around the wood pile so we can get to it to burn for the winter. Chop it up.